Often with brakes we hear all kinds of noises, tire noise, tire and road noise. Sometimes it can be mistaken for wheel bearings. These discs are the inside of the discs. Here we have where the brakes have been on for very likely weeks, sometimes even days during wet weather. And this will cause you a lot of noise, often a repetitive brum brum brum, which can really sound bad. You can try to clean, but very often it's just as well to replace the disc, in spite of how thick, etc. it might be.